prioritize product quality, customer-oriented service, environmental cleanliness, and a family-like work environment. Kukil Paper, a pioneer of paper culture, is opening the doors to a dream future where man and nature coexist in harmony. Craftsmanship devoted to creating a single sheet of paper. The Joseon Dynasty's world-renowned paper manufacturing technology meets the world, transcending time and space. Kukil Paper stepped foot into the paper industry with the opening of the Yongin plant in 1978. For the past 30 years, Kukil Paper has produced industrial papers and higher value-added functional papers, growing into Korea's leading paper company recognized for excellent product quality. Taking risks rather than settling for the status quo, Kukil Paper has opened the doors to a greater future. In the age of infinite competition and globalization, the company has continuously invested in research and development and new building facilities. And currently, Kukil Paper is ranked #1 in domestic market shares for special papers and is solidifying its status as a global company by exporting its papers to more than 17 countries worldwide. Kukil Paper is introducing innovation in paper technology and leading the development of the paper industry. The Yongin plant manufactures special papers for food packaging. Because food packaging is closely related to human health, we use only the best quality pulps and our products do not contain fluorescents. Only Kukil Paper Company produces perforated papers for cigarette filter wrappings in Korea. In addition, the Yongin plant is equipped with expert know-how and technology for producing stencil papers for water purifiers, sanitary papers, total heat recovery papers for ventilators, and steel papers for protecting stainless steel. These products, produced with the trust and confidence of Kukil employees, are much preferred by customers in the global market. The Pyeongtaek plant is equipped with a production capacity of 8,000 tons per year and produces higher value-added functional papers. This site is equipped with cutting-edge facilities and technologies required to produce functional papers for high-tech industries, such as the glassmaking, architecture, and IT industries. The factory produces and supplies special tissue papers used for industrial tape, coated papers used for car batteries, paper foil, and craft papers to domestic enterprises. Kukil Paper's fruit bags are also leading the domestic and overseas markets because they have great wet strength, transmit light, and are water resistant. The Asan plant, with a production capacity of 150,000 tons per year, is writing a new chapter in the history of Korea's industrial paper market. With accumulated know-how, Kukil Paper produces wrapping papers, craft papers, cups for food products, release papers for stickers, and various board papers used for circuit boards and electric products in the Asan plant. For wallpapers, Kukil Paper boasts silk wallpapers with excellent reproducibility, fire-resistant wallpapers, and high-quality synthetic wallpapers made of PET. The company produces safe and reliable products by reducing the rate of error through automation and high-tech systematization of every manufacturing line. For example, in the factories, there are quality control systems that control product size, thickness, and moisture, and detects foreign substances. The establishment of Zhangjiagang Paper Company Limited in Zhangjiagang, China in 2004 signaled Kukil Paper's entry into the global arena. Now, the company has solidified its status as a leading company that produces special papers such as steel separation papers and release papers in China. with an AA plus credit rating and a total sale volume of 100 billion Korean won within merely 6 weeks since its entry into the Chinese market. Kukil paper is being recognized as a successful leader in the Chinese market. Endless challenges, surpassing its own limits. Kukil paper continuously strives to become the world's best. Through continuous research and development in the Central Research Center and a close partnership with Songdam University, Kukil paper has succeeded in elegant-looking silvery wrapping papers, OMR papers for optical mark readers, and activated carbon fiber papers for water purifier and car component filters. The company is making concerted efforts to develop products such as heavy basis weight papers for takeout cups, release papers which can be used without chemical coating, high-quality CCP papers, and chemical property-added papers using inorganic fiber. As a result of its efforts towards R&D through continuous investment and conviction, Kukil paper developed a system that can create special material products in the shortest amount of time upon receiving an order. Kukil paper is also recognized for its superior technology as evidenced by its ISO 9001, KS validation, and FSC validation for forest resources preservation. Striving for a greater world and preparing for new challenges, Kukil paper has always served as a pioneer. Even at this very moment, every employee from the CEO to the line worker is working diligently with one heart and one vision. It is also developing cutting-edge infrastructure befitting this age of information, such as ERP, an integrated management system. Also, under the company slogan, good relationships among employees benefit both the company and individual. The company fully supports and invests in human resource development, which results in quality products and improved customer service.
미래를 위한 창조적 아이템으로 최고의 제품을 생산하며 고객 만족과 1등 기업의 가치를 실현해 나가겠습니다.
Remembering that paper comes from nature, Kukil paper will do its best to protect the environment and create a world where everyone, both individuals and corporations, is happy. Like a tree, Kukil paper will continue to grow towards the promise of a prosperous future.